We're out here this morning, October 3rd, Wednesday, trenching for the water line. So I'm standing about 2/3 of the way up the driveway, and around here toward the main road. So we dig about a 3-foot trench and then lay in the plastic water line. They're just following the left side of the driveway. You can see the house in the background there. So he's about 60% of the way done.
I got a couple at my house, but the rest of the neighbors want to
We're taking a video here. We're probably about an hour from the last shot, and they continue to just dig the ditch, put the pipe in, and move toward the house. And once the pipe is all placed, the inspector will come out tomorrow and look at it in the open ditch and approve it, and then they can cover the pipe up. We're about an hour later from the last piece of video, and we're down by the house now. And we're trenching out from the house back out to where he's dug already. It's probably approximately 40 feet. Trenching is going relatively easy right now because there's no other services like gas or power or anything in the way, so he can basically just dig the trench down to 24 inches and not have to worry about hitting any other utilities or things like that. Now we're out here the next morning. They've finished up. We're actually next to the house, going back toward the driveway. The inspector came out this morning and inspected all this and was fine with it. And they filled in the hole, 2-foot deep hole, and connected it, so we're done.